On Friday, I'm getting the garage ready for painting. Since this might be the time the garage is the most empty, I thoroughly mop all the floors to get any drywall mud that's landed. Back inside the house, it's time to do some holiday baking ahead of Christmas. Tonight, I'm making chocolate chip cookies and peppermint chocolate cookies. On Saturday, I'm taping over the garage concrete in preparation for painting. On Sunday, I finished the taping and masking prep work ahead of painting. On Monday, after a little more prep work, it's finally time to paint the garage. The first coat of paint is a primer specifically for new drywall. Even though it's primer, this first coat really starts bringing the room together. On Tuesday, it's Christmas Eve. I'll leave you with a few shots of the state of the home before I head out to Brush to spend the holidays with my family. Our family tradition is to celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve, so I'll close out the week with these shots. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, from my family to yours, Merry Christmas.